Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and where to turn on audio ducking in our talkback function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our talkback options and functions? We need to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and here we have our talkback. In talkback we have settings here, and then sound and vibration menu. And right here we have audio ducking. So what does it do? Decrease other audio volume while talkback is speaking. By default this option should be turned on, but if it's not, we can find it here. So no need to save these settings. Just back out to our home screen, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.